Hi everyone, this is the last lecture on Unit 1 of Functions. Today we're doing Lesson 1.7, Exploring Operations with Functions. If two functions have x values that overlap, they can be added or subtracted or multiplied to create a new function on a shared domain. This means if we have f of x representing the apple sold on one day and g of x representing oranges sold on the same day, if a relation were graphed on the number of total sales, the new function would be h of x equals to f of x plus g of x. F of g of x is the composite function of f of x and g of x. Let's first look at addition of functions. Given f of x equals to 3x plus 2 and g of x equals to 4 minus 5x, find f plus g of x. Well, f plus g of x is the same thing as f of x plus g of x. So we just plug in the values. That would be 3x plus 2 plus 4 minus 5x, which is the same thing as 3x minus 5x plus 2 plus 4. And the final answer is negative 2x plus 6. Then we have subtraction of functions. Here we're given the same question, only we're asked to find f minus g of x. Well, f minus g of x is the same thing as f of x minus g of x. So we do the same thing as the previous question and we plug in the values. That'd be 3x plus 2 minus in bracket 4 minus 5 of x, which is the same thing as 3x plus 5x plus 2 minus 4. And the final answer will be 8x minus 2. Now let's look at multiplication of functions. Again, we're given the same question and we're asked to find f times g of x. F times g of x is the same thing as f of x times g of x. We do the same thing as the previous questions and we plug in the values. That would be in bracket 3x plus 2 times in bracket 4 minus 5x, which is the same thing as 12x plus 8 minus 15x squared minus 10x. Simplify that and we get the final answer of negative 15x squared plus 2x plus 8. Last, we have division of functions. Given f of x equals to 3x plus 2 and g of x equals to 4 minus 5x, find f divided by g of x. F divided by g of x is the same thing as f of x divided by g of x. And the final answer would be 3x plus 2 divided by 4 minus 5x. Now let's look at example 1 from your learning resources. Given f of x equals to 2x plus 5 and g of x equals to 3x squared, find the composite of f, x, and g of x. F of g of x will be equal to 2 and in bracket g of x plus 5. What we did is we plugged in g of x into where the original x was in the f of x function. Then we plug in the value that we already have for g of x, which is 3x squared. Multiply it out and we get the final answer of 6x squared plus 5. And that will be the final answer for the composite between f of x and g of x. Now let's look at example 4 from your learning resources. The shop that sells ice cream and candy closed with a total sale of f of x equals 2s plus 2. The total sale of candy was g of x equals 5s. What was the total sale of ice cream? Well, we know that the total sale of ice cream will equal to the total number of sales minus the total sale of candy. That would be f of x minus g of x. We simply plug in a value that would be 2s plus 2 minus 5s. We solve like we solved before, which is equal to negative 3s plus 2, and that will be the final answer. Thus, the total sale of ice cream is negative 3s plus 2. So now we just finished Unit 1 of functions. Remember, please do your assignments as well as your activities and upload them for the teachers to mark. See you guys in Unit 2.